Hello everyone, this is Kakuru Benard. I'm back with more of the lessons, and so today we are going to handle this practical question 7. We are going to design such an invoice in word processing. So using a suitable word processing application, typeset the following invoice as it appears with its font faces and any formatting, and save it as invoice. So what do we need to do here is to make this invoice. So first of all, we are going to create a folder where we shall save our work, and we call this folder practical lesson. And then you open a Word document, save this Word document as, save it in your desktop in your folder called practical lesson, and give it a name, invoice. You save. So to begin with, this invoice is in form of a table. So this is a table with such a thick border surrounding it, and so we are going to have this. So on our page, we shall go to insert table, and we shall insert only one row and one column. You click OK. We shall design our details in this table, and so we shall begin with Mama Kevin Bakery Uganda Limited. So we can have it centered. We say Mama Kevin Bakery Uganda Limited. Press enter. So when you look at this, we shall have our text in Times New Roman, so that we abide to these font faces. So we can make sure our work is in Times New Roman. We can put it font size 12 for now, and then this heading can be bolded, maybe font size 14. Then we continue. Next there is PO Box 765, PO Box 765 123. Then you go down Masaka, press enter, followed by telephone number. Tell, you move down to the telephone number 077 00, and then after that you add on to 0702 0702. The other digits can be like that. So after having the telephone numbers, we can move down to suppliers of quality baked. Suppliers of quality baked. Suppliers of quality baked confectionaries. Suppliers of quality baked confectionaries, and then this word is bolded. Then below we have date 4th August 2020. Date is 4th August 2020. Press enter, followed by 2 Kwapa General Stores, Kwapa General Stores. Then down is PO Box then followed by the purchasing table. The following items dispatched to your business as per your order number 184. The following items dispatched as per your order number 184. And then we have a table of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. 5 columns, 5 rows. So we can insert a table of 5 columns. Insert a table of 5 columns, 5 rows. That is our table. And so in our table we shall have the following number. We shall have item, quantity, unit cost and amount. Unit cost and amount in shillings. So after that we shall have items 1, 2, 3, then total. Items 1, 2, 3, then total. More to that, yellow bread, brown bread, banners. Yellow bread, brown bread, buns. Quantity 450, 250, 500. 450, 250, 500. Unit cost 350, 380. Cost we have 3,500, 3,500, 3,800, and then for buns it is 1,800. Next is the amount. and then for brown bread is 950,000. Then for this one is 900. Next, after total, we have this decay grid. So in here you can highlight that cell, you right click, borders and shading, under shading tab, come to patterns, move down and choose decay grid, you click OK. This table inside has a thick border, select it, borders and shading, under borders tab, choose grid, width, choose around 3 pt, click OK. And then when you study this table very well, these ones are bolded and they are aligned vertically. So we can select this row, we bold, then you right click, text direction, vertically downwards, you click OK. You can even try to expand your cells so that the text can fit well, like that. So this one is done, and then we can have this word invoice. Also we can have a text box with the word invoice. So around here we can insert a text box. Under shapes we can have text box, we draw it there, and we write there the word invoice. You can put it to center, you can bold it, you can change font style, Times New Roman, size 16, and then you put a background color from there, yellow. Something like that, and then the surrounding border is black. So from here we can go to format, shape outline, no outline. So you save changes. What's the next on our invoice is the sign, then Ben Musungu, marketing manager. So here we can have sign, down you can have Ben Musungu, marketing manager. So after having this, what we need to do now is to have the surrounding border thick. So you can select your table using that kind of pointer, you right click, borders and shading, you come to grid, come to style, and have such, then with a 6 pt, click OK, so that your invoice is at that level. So after that, you can see our invoice has a color inside. Any color can work, then plus that image. So here we are going to insert an image. insert clip art. So under clip art, here we shall search for bread. Click go, then you bring that bread, you can reduce it around there. You come to wrap text under format tab, wrap text. You can put it behind text, then you move it and put it around there. Like that. So it is around there. Then we can have a background color. So select your table, right click, borders and shading. Under shading tab, fill color. You can have any of the colors provided here. For example, if I choose that color and I click OK, so inside I have a color. Save changes. So I'm done with my invoice. All the settings on my invoice are done. And so we go to the accompanying text. Required to be center align all the items to be dispatched in the table above. Center align all the items to be dispatched in the table above, meaning that the items to be dispatched, we are supposed to center align. So you can highlight your table, then you center from there. So we have centered our items. Next, copy your work and paste it on page 3 of your document. So we are going to highlight our table using that kind of pointer. Copy, move down, click at the bottom of your table, you go to insert blank page, that is page 2 of 2. Insert blank page, that is page 3. So we are now on page 3. You can go home tab and choose paste. You can choose save, because you now have work on page 3. Then next, use the formula feature in Word to generate totals of items dispatched. Totals. So here we shall come here, we need to find totals here. You click there and layout, formula, sum above, click OK. Even here, formula, sum above, click OK. Even here, formula, sum above, click OK. Save changes. Next, insert a footnote on the word officer that appears in the bottom of your invoice as to Mama Kevin Bakery. So we click on the word officer, click on this word officer, we go to references tab, insert, we are inserting a footnote. So here on the word officer, insert footnote, go to references tab, then click insert footnote. So we say to Mama Kevin Bakery. So even on page 1 actually this word was supposed to be officer, not manager. Remember to correct that. So this is our footnote. Next is below the invoice, add your full names and personal number with a comment as it's better I become self-employed. So below your invoice here, put there your names, Kakuru Benard, 076, my personal number. So you will highlight your name and insert a comment there. So highlight your name, go to review, highlight your name, go to review, new comment. So from this section here, you say it's better I become self-employed. So this is a comment. Save changes. Next, insert a printed watermark as this page is left blank only to page 2. So we move up, click on page 2, you go to page layout, on watermark, click on watermark, and then this section here, we are inserting the watermark on page 2, so we right click there and say insert at current document position. So click on that, right click, edit text. This page is left blank. This page is left blank, so you have to edit it. You click OK. So this is our watermark only to page 2. Save changes. Next, apply an orange background color to your entire invoice only. So we go back to page 3, select your invoice, you right click, borders and shading, under shading tab, fill color. They want us to fill with orange. Click OK. Click anywhere in your invoice. So that is an orange background color in our invoice. Save changes and print. So from here we can click File, Print. So this is a copy of our work, of our invoice. That is page 3. This is page 2 with a watermark. This is page 1. So you can choose the number of copies you want to print, choose the printer, and then you say print. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I remain Kakuru Benard. Thank you.